it's Belinda Selene and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be interesting. It's going to be juicy because I'm getting rid of all of my clothes. I get so frustrated trying to look for something to wear and I don't even know what I have. And I'm going to be doing this KonMari style. This includes getting all of my stuff out of every single drawer, every single closet, every single storage bin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different closets in my house. I didn't even know there was 5 closets in this house. 5 closets in this house. So there are a lot of clothes that just don't fit me right anymore. I've outgrown them, they're out of style. Also, I've gained a few pounds. And there's some clothes that are not flattering anymore. It's springtime. It's time to get rid of everything that we don't wear, everything that we don't use, anything that doesn't brings us satisfaction because I spend more time organizing it and more time being frustrated. I'm going to bring it all into the living room and I'm going to get rid of anything that I don't want, which is about to be like 80% of my clothes. We have closet number 1 right over here. This is right off the entrance. This is one of our coat closets that we have. This is so embarrassing. But this closet right over here is off the second entryway and it is by our kitchen. And so this is like a catch-all. This is like everything in there. We have scarves, we have everything from like gloves and you name it, it's there. Look, there's a coat right there that I haven't picked up since we first moved in. We have another closet over here. We have some shoes and a bunch of stuff on top. And we have some formal stuff in there which we're going to take out. This is one of my main closets. This one is in one of the guest rooms and there's stuff everywhere and this is probably the majority of the clothes that I wear. This is my go-to closet along with another one that I have, but we gotta get rid of all of this stuff as well. This last closet is in the glam room. It's so stuffed in there that I cannot get in, that I get frustrated, and so I don't even go inside of this closet half the time. We've got all sorts of clothes here, and then as we get down there, oh my gosh. That looks horrible. I feel like a hoarder. What is that, a shoe insole? Oh my gosh. This is horrible. This is why I need to purge and get rid of stuff. So this is another closet. This is actually our storage room in the basement. And I have organized myself pretty well when it comes to seasonal items. But in the book that I was listening to, it says that I should not have seasonal items somewhere else stored in a bin because I'll forget about them. That is so true. I've forgotten about these clothes. I have these 2 bins that are seasonal clothes. So I'm going to take everything out of both of those and I'm going to bring it out and see what I want to keep and get rid of. And I'm never going to put seasonal items in a bin like this ever again because then I'll completely forget about them. I've been looking forward to this day for a while now, ever since I've been done reading that book or listening to it on Audible. And so now I'm going to bring out everything out into the floor. And when I mean everything, I mean everything. So we're going to make some space and we're going to take everything out of the closet first that are downstairs because these are all my winter clothes. You want to start with off-season clothes because you've already worn them throughout the season. You know what you did wear and what you didn't, you know what you liked, and so for that reason it is just a lot easier and it gets your mind in that mentally state where you know you can get rid of something a lot easier, and then this will make everything else easier. So if you're starting in spring, take out your winter clothes. If you're starting in winter, take out your summer clothes because the season has just passed and you're ready to do it. So I've been wanting to get a really nice coat for a while now, but what's been holding me back is wearing these, and sometimes it's a little embarrassing because one's missing a button, the other one is stained, and so I just got rid of the coats that I no longer wanted. And then when it came to scarves, gloves, and hats, what I did is I kept 2 of each. I kept 2 scarves, 2 gloves, and 2 hats. Alright, so I did the first floor first, but I am going to continue before I put anything away. I'm going to bring out all the rest of the stuff that was upstairs, and that includes every drawer, every closet, every bin, everything that I have, with the exception of anything that's inside of your laundry, because obviously you've used them and you can discard them later, but everything else comes out on the floor in one sitting. This is just ridiculous. Oh my gosh. Oh. Poor little Coco, you're like, what's going on? I don't understand. Now, the reason why you want to bring everything out in one sitting is because this is going to allow you to completely purge everything. You can mentally see and physically see everything that you have, and so it makes it a lot easier to get rid of things that you don't wear, things that don't make you happy, things that are not flattering towards your body. You just want to keep things that you know you're going to wear instantly and not have to think about. And that's what I wanted, because I did not want to be stressed trying to try on 5 different pair of pants to see if they still fit me, and me not being able to make a decision. Then they're lying on the floor, and then it creates a huge pile, and then you have to put those back away because you want to clean your house, and it just doesn't make any sense. So why not get rid of it right there and then? So if it was dingy, or if it lost its shape, or I just didn't like it, it didn't fit right, it went right into the donation pile, and then I made a separate pile to keep and a separate pile to sell. Now, how do you get rid of stuff that you don't wear but you paid a lot of money for? For example, like formal dresses. Well, the way that I like to think about them is that they fulfilled their purpose. I had a good time in them, I got a lot of pictures of them, I felt good, but I'm never going to wear it again. Especially like bridesmaids dresses, formal dresses, or any kind of dresses like that. So I would rather just either sell it or donate it. And if you know you're not going to take the time to post it somewhere to sell it, and you know that you're not going to have a garage sale anytime soon, or you don't have a specific date in mind, then just donate it. Believe me, it takes a huge weight off your shoulders, and you can feel good about knowing that somebody else is going to enjoy that item just as much and show it love. Love that you don't have for it, because obviously it's been in your closet for so long and haven't worn it since. Alright, what to do with clothes that hold a sentimental value? Well, you can put them in a separate pile, and then when you are completely done sorting through all of these clothes, you're most likely to have better judgment whether you want to keep it or not. And believe me, by this time you're kind of tired, you're over it, and you just want to get rid of anything that you don't want to completely hold on to, and so you can get rid of it a lot easier. I have my lights set up so that you can see what I'm doing. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bags filled, ready to be donated. We have those which I'm going to sell. We have this pile left over here, and we have that pile left, and then there's a bin back there. So far, this is what I'm keeping. Those are all the hangers that were on the clothes. We have more hangers over there, and then that's another pile of items that I'm keeping. And then these, I don't know, I have mixed feelings, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep those or not, but I'll save those till the end. Put all the clothes away, and it feels so good to get rid of all of those clothes. And then over here, these are all the hangers that I used, and I was actually considering to buy more hangers because I was running out of hangers for clothes that I recently started buying. And so I just can't believe how many I have now. So now that everything's cleaned up, these are a couple things that I'm going to be selling on the app called MERCARI. So if you guys use my coupon code, then you guys can get $10 off. Today we are inside of my glam room, and I'm about to show you guys what my closet looks like. I narrowed it down from 5 closets to 1 closet, and this is what it looks like. And on top we have all of my summer and spring clothes, and then on the bottom I have all of my winter clothes and my fall clothes. So starting from the back over here, we have all like thick sweaters, color coordinated, along with my flannels, and then 1 pair of dress pants, which I have worn just 1 pair of dress pants in the past 2 years because that is the only pair that I like, and so I'm able to keep something that I love. And then on top of here we have all of my dresses in the back, along with my short sleeves, with the exception of this one because that one is really light fabric and I wear it in the summer often, and then all the way up to like tank tops and just really trendy tops. And if you are wondering where the rest of my clothes are, we have PJs, underwear, socks over there, but it's like halfway empty. These are my PJs. Look how much more space I have, and it makes me so happy. And then over here we have my shorts and pants, and we have them all in one drawer. No longer are they in storage bins, trying to separate summer clothes and winter clothes, like my pants, leggings, workout clothes, bathing suits are all in here, and it is so awesome, and there's just so much room, and I can put laundry away a lot easier. Alright, so we ended up with this many amount of bags. I'm going to put it all in my truck and send it off to get donated. They didn't all fit in here. There's some in there too. I don't know if you can see in the back. I had to put some in the back seat too, but we got this. We got